Hello YouTube, it's your boy the Crazy Trader, and today I'm here again with your favorite stock review. I know I've been away for a very long time, not a very long time, it's almost been a week and a half. I've been really busy. You know, YouTube is always my side thing that I always put out here to educate, and I've been really busy with work because that pays the bills, and I have to pay the bills. You guys know that, otherwise I'll be kicked out. So I've been really busy with work, and I haven't really done too much trading. Actively, the market has been really sketchy for the past weeks. There's been some sell-offs. I heard there's this hedge fund called is it Archie or something like that. They went bust by chasing Viacom and other stocks, and that was what led to last week's Friday's sell-off. I was going to do a video on it, but I came back from work very tired, so I wasn't able to do that. So I mean, if you're in the market right now, be careful with it. If you have very solid plays, very solid stocks that you hold, don't be selling when they go down. Just double down and buy it and average down on the price that you bought it at. Okay, so if you bought it at, if your average price is $10 and it goes to 8, if you have some excess money, just buy the dip and then average down to 9 and then all the way to 8. Okay, if your play is a solid play, not the stocks that you're just trading. I mean, stocks that you're investing in. Like me, I'm investing in IVR. My average is, I think, is around 386. So if it goes down below 386, goes to 370, 350, I'm going to buy more into it because I know the stock. I kind of have the fundamental of the stock, and I believe it's going to grow eventually. So I'm into it. So don't just sell stocks at a loss. Okay, always average down if you believe in the play, if you really believe in the play. Anyways, I'm here. Everybody's screaming at me. People are yelling at me. Hey, where's the video? Where's the dividend video? Where's it? Okay. I hear you guys. This is the dividend video today, and that is one of my favorite stocks. I was going to do a review about some different real estate investment trust. I'm thinking of redefining my YouTube channel and doing videos and reviews about real estate investment trust only, because I've looked into the sector. I've looked in that sector, and nobody's talking about real estate investment trust, and it's one of my favorite plays. So because I love dividend plays, so I'm going to do video. I'm going to really research when I get the time, really research into some real estate investment trust stocks, and then some ETFs, and I'm going to give you some nice plays on there. I'm going to do some nice reviews on there, and then that's what I'm going to do now. I've reviewed IVR over and over and over again, so if you're an IVR fan, you already know that's what I do. Okay, so hold on, and I'll be reinventing this channel really nicely and be bringing you plays from the real estate. Okay, those are very nice plays with dividends, so you would love it. You love it when I start those sections. Okay, let's go to IVR real quick because I don't want to make this too long today. Invesco Mortgage Capital. If you're new here, you should know that we talk about the stock so many times, and you can go to my previous videos and you see that I've reviewed this stock so many times. And if you're new here, hit the like button. And to all the old people who come and watch this video, hit the like button. Don't just watch it and leave. I mean, someone took their time off to do this. Just hit the like button, and then let other people see the video. So because the more times you hit the like button, the more it is recommended to other people. You don't have to be a subscriber of the channel to hit the like button, so just hit the like button. Okay, let's go to investment mortgage capital. It was around 405 today at market close. Yeah, it was 405 at market close, and then it went up, I think, 1% again to 410 after hours. It looks like today it went all the way to 413. You can see it's high at 10 a.m. It was at 413, which was a good rise coming from the market sell-off, which was like a week ago when it was around 3 something. There we go. You see that 375 at the sell-off, and now it's up. So it's up 410. So that's a good penny. So the people who are day trading this or swing trading it, they bought it here and then they are going to sell it at 410 or 413. That's a good change for them. If you are a day trader or if you're a swing trader, that's a good change for you. But because of the dividend announcement, a lot of people are going to hold onto it until the ex-dividend day, which I think is April 9th or April 10th, when you are guaranteed of having dividends. So that's what a lot of people are going to do. And this is the portfolio that I have, 1830 shares Oh, the average is 3.72. I thought it was 3.86. Okay, 3.72. I have some money. You can see. Okay, I didn't show you at the beginning of the video. I put some $1,000. Oh, yeah, there we are. My buying power is about $1,000. So I'm looking for a nice. I'm hoping that after the ex-dividend day, this is going to drop. So it's going to go up, and then after the ex-dividend day, it's going to drop. And then when it drops, I think I can get in. But even with that, if it drops any day this week, I'm going to get in, because I want to get to the 2,000. I mean, 2,000 shares before the ex-dividend day, so that I can have dividends on 2,000 shares instead of 1,800 shares. Okay. So here we are. I'm up 10% on my portfolio, which is $689, which is a good trade. So if you're looking at that, next to Yahoo News, same thing. It says Invesco Mortgage Capital raises dividend yield of 9.1%. Same thing at Motley Fool. Invesco Mortgage Capital raises dividend yield at 9.1%. So the dividend yield is at 9.1%, which is a good dividend yield. I want to just read the first paragraph for you guys. For the fourth quarter in a row, Invesco Mortgage Capital is raising its quarterly common stock dividend. The Mortgage Real Estate Investment Trust announced Friday that it's adding 0.001, that's just 1 cent, or 11% of its proceedings payout for a 9% pay share distribution. So in every quarter you're going to get a 9 cents. So that's really good. So that's about 36 cents in a year. That's really good for every share that you have, which is amazing. That's a 9% yield in a year. So it's an amazing if you're an investor. If you put $1,000 in, you should be looking at $90 back at the end of the year, which makes a lot of sense. So even your bank won't give you an interest like that. So you should look at that. And I also took the time off to go to Nasdaq to show you their dividend payout for the time being. But this is before the pandemic. The 50 cents that you see, you could see 50 cents in 3 quarters before the pandemic hit, and when the pandemic hit, it went down to 2 cents. Okay, so for the 4th quarter in a row, they've increased their dividend. Okay, so this is the first quarter that signified when the pandemic hit, that's 2 cents, and then they increased it to 5 cents, and then to 8 cents. Now it's 9 cents. So if they are increasing it every quarter, I mean, we are just hoping that they increase it every quarter. If they increase it every quarter, then the next quarter could easily be 10 or 12 or whatever it is. Yeah, even if they maintain the 9 cents, it's still a good payout ratio. So if you are in here, this is a good play. If you're not in here, it's also a good play too. It's also a good play, so you can enter it. Otherwise, you can look at other mortgage real estate trust in my videos that I've already posted, and then you can find I did one on 2 Harbors, there's one on MFA. You can find out those plays, and then you can get into them. But apart from that, this market is looking really good, and I'm still in for a very long play. You can see I haven't sold any of my shares, so I'm still in for a long play, and I'm not worried about it. And I put some money in it. This is the stimulus check that came in, so I put $1,000 in here, so it's all going into Invesco Mortgage Trust me, it's going in here. So I'm thinking I'll get about 200 or 300 shares of it, just to hit my 2,000 goal. My goal is 2,500, so I'm putting all the money in here. When I hit 2,500, I'll put a pause on it, and I'll move on to my next stock. Okay, not to take too much of your time. Like I always say, you always got to risk it to get the biscuit, and scared no money don't make no money. So you guys should have a beautiful week. Stay safe and stay blessed. I'm out. Peace.